So in case you are wondering what to do with these Wagyu tenderloin steaks, I'm going to show you a really cool recipe. This is called Steak Diane. It originated in the 1950s in New York, where gangsters used to go to restaurants and have this dish served to them, flambe. Flambe means cooked tableside with flame. So I'm going to show you how to do it. These come in 200 grams, and for this recipe, I'm going to cut them in half. So these are now called medallions, so 100-gram medallions. And I'm going to start off with a little bit of oil, and the oil is going to stop my butter from burning. It's a super hot pan, some butter. And I'm going to season these steaks just simply with salt and pepper on both sides. Season them well, put the steaks down into the hot pan. So we're just going to cook these lightly, about 1.5 minutes aside. I'm going to add a little bit of fresh thyme to this, just to give these steaks a bit of a flavor. You can hear it popping. And this butter is going to caramelize the beef, which is going to be super important later. Okay, let's have a touch. So these are 3/4 cooked. I'm going to take them out and I'm going to rest them on this board. We're going to cook them a little bit more later. I'm going to take the thyme out at this point. And I'm going to make the sauce. So we start off with some onion or shallot. Then we go in with some mushrooms. And what I'm doing, I'm scraping all those beautiful bits of steak off the bottom of the pan. We don't want to lose those. Okay, we've just had a little bit of softness to the mushrooms and the onions. Now comes the dangerous part, the flambe. Before I do that, I'm going to add a little bit of Worcestershire sauce, reduce that down. Then I've got brandy. I'm going to use a little bit, maybe 1/4 cup. Now be a little bit careful because I've got flame here. So I'm going to pour it in, put it aside, let it warm up, and then just tip it towards the flame. Okay, so that's called flambe. We're burning off the alcohol, we're cooking off the mushrooms, then we're going to start finishing our sauce. I'm going to add a little bit of beef stock, chicken stock, vegetable stock, whatever you've got. At this point, I'm going to add some cream. So this is whipping cream or double cream, and let it reduce down a little bit. At this point, I'm going to add just a touch of mustard. Now this is English mustard, and I'm going to add this in right at the very end. If you cook mustard, it loses its flavor. We don't want to do that, so we're just going to, a teaspoon of mustard. Give it a nice stir, and while we're going to taste this, check the seasoning. It might need a little bit more salt and pepper, not sure yet. So this sauce is looking good. Some fresh chopped parsley. Give it another stir. I'm going to turn the heat down. This sauce is now done. And at this point, I'm going to return these steaks back in. And what I would do, add a little bit more parsley over the top. Because that looks so delicious, so beautiful, I'd serve it in the pan on the table like that and let people serve it themselves. But this is going to continue cooking slowly in that sauce. That's the perfect Steak Diane. And these Wagyu 4-5 tenderloins are the perfect beef to use in this recipe. You got to give it a go. It's fantastic. If you're trying to get off with your girlfriend or your boyfriend.